Welcome to KTM Firearms. Today I'm diving into some ingenious home defense tactics that you probably haven't considered yet. Stay with me till the end because you won't want to miss a single detail. Let's get into it. First off, let's talk about the element of surprise. Traditional home defense strategies often rely on visible deterrence like alarm systems and security cameras. But imagine this: hidden defenses. Concealing your defensive measures can give you the upper hand, taking an intruder completely by surprise. Think of hidden compartments for quick access to your firearm, or even strategic lighting that disorients intruders while guiding you safely. Now, let's consider the layout of your home. Many people underestimate the power of strategic furniture placement. Arrange your furniture to create choke points that funnel intruders into specific areas, making it easier to defend your position. Reinforce these areas with solid, cover-providing furniture. This way you can use your home's layout to your advantage, creating a defensible space that keeps you and your loved ones safe. Training is another crucial aspect of home defense that often gets overlooked. It's not just about going to the range and improving your marksmanship. You need to train for real-world scenarios. Conduct home invasion drills with your family. Practice clearing rooms, communicating under stress, and employing tactical maneuvers. The more familiar you are with these situations, the more prepared you'll be if the unthinkable happens. Next up, technology. Modern advancements can give you a significant edge in home defense. Smart home systems that integrate with your firearms can alert you instantly to a break-in, and even control lighting, cameras, and alarms. Imagine being able to activate your defenses with a simple voice command or a tap on your phone. It's the future of home defense, and it's here now. Also, let's not forget the importance of mental preparation. Being mentally ready can make all the difference in a high-stress situation. Develop a mindset of vigilance and readiness. Visualize different scenarios and plan your responses. This mental rehearsal can significantly improve your reaction time and effectiveness when it matters most. Lastly, motivation is key. Stay motivated by setting clear, achievable goals in your firearms training and home defense planning. Keep track of your progress, celebrate your milestones, and always strive for improvement. Join a community of like-minded individuals who can support and challenge you. This will keep you engaged and committed to becoming the best you can be. So, there you have it. Some innovative home defense strategies that will give you the edge you need. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join our community. Stay safe, stay prepared, and I'll see you in the next video.